two trusted life insurance giants, but only one can take the lead. Which one stands above the rest? On one side, you have MassMutual, a legacy brand with decades of experience. On the other, Banner Life, known for competitive pricing and straightforward policies. Forget the complicated jargon, let's see what actually matters for you. We'll award points in each category, so by the end, you'll know for sure who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner just might surprise you. To give you the big picture, hear what we're comparing: price and value, policy options, financial strength, customer experience, underwriting leniency, and just how slick their online tools really are. Yep, we're covering all the important stuff. Let's kick things off with price and value. So with MassMutual, you're getting those long-standing dividends if you choose whole life, and their cash value options do bring some real long-term value. But you know what? You're definitely paying for it. Their premiums are up there, especially compared to Banner. Then you've got Banner Life, and oh man, they are all about stretching your dollar. Their term rates are literally some of the lowest on the market, and you can lock in those prices for like 40 years. The catch: no dividends here, they keep it simple. Honestly, for price and value, Banner Life totally takes the lead. Alright, let's talk policy options. MassMutual is basically the Swiss Army knife here. They've got term, whole, universal, and even variable life. Tons of riders too, so you can pretty much customize your policy until it feels just right. The downside? Some products aren't super easy if you want to skip a medical exam. Banner, meanwhile, does term better than almost anyone else, and their universal life is solid. But, and this is big, they don't even offer whole life insurance. So if you want that, sorry, move along. In this category, MassMutual is the obvious winner, hands down. Now, financial strength. MassMutual has been around for over 170 years, which is kind of mind-blowing. They've got A++ ratings from AM Best and Bonus. They're owned by policyholders, not shareholders. That's like gold standard stability. Banner Life is no slouch though. They've got an A+ from AM Best and are part of the Legal and General Group, which is huge globally. But they're not a mutual company, so their first priority is shareholders, not you. MassMutual totally holds the crown for financial strength. Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Did you know MassMutual has literally paid dividends every single year since 1869? Like, talk about a streak. Moving right along to customer experience. MassMutual's got a rock-solid reputation, low complaint ratios, lots of ways to get in touch in person or online. But, and there's always a but, right? Their underwriting can take longer if you're going for permanent coverage. Banner Life really shines for term buyers, fast digital applications, quick approvals. Although they get some mixed reviews when it comes to claim speed. So who comes out on top here? Gotta give it to MassMutual, but Banner keeps it competitive, especially if you're all about that turbo speed term process. Okay, underwriting leniency. MassMutual's pretty fair overall, but if you've got any health stuff going on, they can be kinda strict, and yeah, you'll often need a medical exam. Banner, though, they're shockingly chill about some health conditions like mild tobacco use or if your blood pressure's a little wonky. Accelerated underwriting is a real perk, but remember, if your history's complex, they might just say no thanks. So here, Banner Life edges ahead, they're just a bit more flexible. Last up, let's chat about online tools and digital access. MassMutual has a decent online portal and you can do some things electronically. But honestly, Banner Life's digital experience is just plain smoother, especially if you want super easy online quotes or to get started without all the hassle. Only thing, if you want permanent policies, you're not gonna find much online there. For anyone who wants a painless, digital-first term experience, Banner's taking the win. Looking at all those categories side by side, you can really see where each company dominates. Banner's the value and digital champ for sure, but MassMutual flexes its muscle with options and rock-solid backing. So if you're after permanent life insurance or just want the kind of stability that only 170 years in business can bring, MassMutual's your go-to. But if what you need is budget-friendly term insurance with fast and flexible online options, Banner Life is hard to beat. I mean, why overpay if all you want is solid term life? Hey, if this breakdown helped, make sure to hit follow for even more deep dives like this one. Everyone deserves to know exactly what they're buying, so stick around.